Managing client relationships can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling multiple accounts and trying to keep everyone happy. That's where SuiteDash CRM comes in, helping you streamline and organize everything from client communication to project management all in one place. Stick with me to the end, because I'll show you how SuiteDash works and reveal an even better alternative that might just suit your business needs more effectively. Let's dive right in with the basics. SuiteDash allows you to manage clients with an easy-to-navigate dashboard that consolidates your CRM, project management, invoicing, and communication tools. Everything's integrated, which can save you hours of time spent switching between tools. You can create detailed client profiles with all the information you need, including contact details, meeting notes, and a full history of interactions. It's incredibly handy for tracking the relationships you have with each client. Next thing, SuiteDash allows for easy task and project management. You can assign tasks, track progress, and set up deadlines all within the same interface. This helps keep your clients in the loop and ensures that everyone stays on track. The ability to set up a client portal where they can access files, view progress, and communicate directly is another major plus. But while SuiteDash does this well, some users have mentioned that the interface can feel a little clunky, especially for those who are new to CRM tools. The fourth thing to consider is the invoicing and billing features. SuiteDash includes fully customizable invoices that integrate directly with your client data, making it easier to track payments and send out reminders. However, the lack of automation in certain billing workflows can be frustrating for businesses looking to scale up quickly. You may find that you need to manually enter more details than you'd like. Another key feature is SuiteDash's email automation. It allows you to set up automated email campaigns to stay in touch with clients, send reminders, and nurture leads. While it's a great feature, it lacks some of the advanced segmentation and personalization options seen in more specialized email marketing tools. SuiteDash is definitely useful for getting the basics done, but if you're looking for deep customization, this might not be the best fit. And let's talk about support. SuiteDash offers customer service, but the feedback has been mixed. Some users have reported quick responses, while others have experienced delays, especially when dealing with more technical issues. But here's the twist. While SuiteDash is a solid option, it may not be the best tool for everyone. If you're looking for something with more robust features, better automation, and an overall smoother experience, I have a strong recommendation. I'll share an alternative CRM that's known for its ease of use and scalability, ideal for businesses that need something a little more dynamic. Before I wrap up, don't forget that this video mentions an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash. But if you're serious about managing client relationships effectively, check out the amazing alternatives I've also mentioned in the video. These alternatives offer even better tools for client management, and they also have free trials available. By using our link, you'll gain access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.